breakfast, then change the world.
Hell is empty, and all of the devils are here.
The fault, dear Brutus, is not within our stars, but within ourselves, that we are underlings.
Look inside yourself, Simba.
These are just a few quotes from theater, like The Lion King, Hairspray, Shakespeare, and Julius Caesar. Everyone's seen a live performance, and if you've never been to a live performance, I'm sure you've seen one on TV. Have you ever wondered what happens backstage, or how live theater connects to TV? I'm able to inform you of this because I have been performing and learning the ins and outs of theater for up to 7 years. The purpose of my speech is to let you in on all of the secrets behind and in between the audience, but also how theater relates to television. Theater is an ephemeral experience that, if done correctly, the audience enjoys thoroughly. Today, I would like to talk to you about what happens before the performance, what happens during the performance, and how theater relates to television. First, we have the before picture of a performance, which looks a little something like a room or a table full of chairs and people standing, sitting, or laying around with a giant stack of paper in their hands. This giant stack of papers is the script for the whole performance. And for there to be a performance, the actors have to learn their lines. If they don't learn these lines, by the time it comes to blocking rehearsals, in my case, your grade suffered. But in a professional case, you would be replaced. Blocking rehearsals are when you learn where, when, how to stand, sit, walk, cry, or any other action that is required on your line or on someone else's line. The Appalachian University puts this very well by saying the actions or lack of actions of any individual can help or make a failure of any activity. Most people forget about the tech, the costumes, the makeup, and the set design. But without these, it wouldn't be a complete experience. The tech and other designers also get a script, and they have to pay attention to every detail of every line. Because if they miss a line where someone says, "I love how your eyes match your corset," and the costumer puts a blue-eyed actress into a red corset, you might see how this is a bit of a problem. During the show, the actors and the tech get to show off how hard they worked before the show in rehearsals. If you've never heard someone calling cues behind a curtain, or heard someone screaming about a problem with costumes in the dressing room, or seen an actress stuck on stage and waiting for a blackout frozen, then you've probably been to a well-organized performance. Actors also have to more than one costume sometimes, and they have to change backstage in a dressing room, or sometimes so close to time they have to change right behind the curtain. They also have to move from one entrance to another, and sometimes the audience can hear them if they're breathing too heavy. Ashley Crossman says that the backstage region is a place where actors can discuss and polish before revealing themselves to the audience. I say it's a place not to be in character. You may not believe it, but theater and TV go hand in hand. There are people calling cues off camera just like for theater. And the actors also have to learn their lines, they have to know where to stand, and how loud to be. In TV, there are a lot more chances to reshoot or retake a scene, while in theater, you get one shot. And just like with a sports game or any other live performance. Have you ever seen a live game? Or maybe you've heard about the recent remake of Grease Live. These happened on TV, but they have aspects of theater all over them. As Green Bay University puts it, theater and TV both tell a story and reveal a character. There's rehearsals before the game or the show, and there are intermissions, otherwise known as halftime or commercial breaks. In conclusion, I hope that now that you know these secrets of theater, that you understand why some things happen and some things don't happen. Lines, blocking, and tech are all required for theater and TV. I've enjoyed informing you about this because I myself have directed, designed lights, and performed in theater multiple times. If you've never been to a live performance, I encourage you to do so, that you can experience the difference and notice the likeness it has to TV. If you pay attention enough, you will be able to see aspects of theater in every form of entertainment we have around us.